Hello everyone, I am Midhila Sajith from class 10 and today I'm very happy to be here to share my experience with Brilliant Tuition program. So I joined this program earlier this year and honestly it has been very helpful. The tutors explain each concept very clearly and try to make the lessons as interesting as possible. So one thing I really like is that the lessons are pre-recorded. We can rewatch any concept if we do not understand it clearly, and the schedule is very flexible. We can watch the videos whenever we want, whenever it fits our schedule. So there are doubt clearing sessions which are held every week, and these are super interactive and help us greatly to clear up any doubts or confusion that we may have about the specific topic. And another great feature is the e-learning app, especially the option to view last year's tuition videos. So this comes really handy when the things that we are learning at school does not line up with what we are learning at tuition. So that is one thing I really like. And then we have weekly tests. So these tests are very challenging. The questions are very variety. There are a variety of questions that are provided. The questions from the study material and the tests are very challenging and they are very helpful. They have helped me improve my time management skills a lot. So overall, this tuition program is really good. It is super helpful and I am very thankful to Brilliant for providing such a supportive and effective learning platform. Thank you.
Brilliant Study Center, India's #1 coaching center for NEET and JEE.